I see a lot of people hopefully learned a lot out of about their own families and about their own parents, hopefully. You all are really good speakers, coming up with small speeches in really short amount of time. So, and yeah, very few people prepared. So I'm going to just go through very quick highlights, because the reason Ashokji actually asked me to go through the summary is, a lot of times we go home after all these programs, what do we want to take out of all this, right? That's the key thing here. We spend a lot of time here talking through different problems, different solutions, lot of values that kids came up with, parents came up with. It's important we just don't go back and say, you know what, oh, that was a great program. That would be in vain, right? You want to remember a few things. The whole goal of this PID, whole goal of this Parents Appreciation Day is ultimately for you guys to start thinking towards bonding. The home run, I would say, out of all of this was open communication. A lot of people talked about open communication. If we can start with that and remember that through long time, बहुत अच्छा होगा. I mean, communication is the key thing. This is a slide that we all had put together, but I don't think, after listening to all of this, really it's more of a very high level, and to bring up through our research all of these things that we saw as our biggest problems or challenges, I would say. Peer-to-peer pressure. We had a couple of speakers here who said, when we go to school or in our school, when we are sitting in our dorm room, we get peer pressure to go to movies, or even do things that kids, we don't expect them to do, right? So those things. So peer-to-peer pressure are the biggest challenges in kids. Bullying, identity, couple of people spoke about cultural identity, feeling embarrassed about who I am, my culture, all that stuff, and how parents help. Socializing challenges, and sometimes people have issues with who do I talk to, right? Parents key challenges, obviously most of the parents, I would say, come from India. We are born and brought up in India, right? So we have seen things that kids haven't seen, and kids are seeing things here that we haven't seen them, right? So for instance, it's sometimes funny when we say to kids, you should do this. In your school, when you face this, you do this or do that. And kids, I'm sure that when they go back to their own rooms, they're thinking, you know what, they have never seen those things before, right? So, because they were not born and brought up here. So those are the key challenges. We have to understand their perspective. They have to understand our perspective. And those both perspectives have to come together. The way it can come together is by open communication. Again, as I said, it was a home run. A lot of times, the way it is said here, but not respecting the kids' decisions. I know a couple of people said that here is make sure you respect, empower them to think through on their own, rather than trying to impose your decisions. Not that parents want to impose their decisions, but it's more of that. I think the first point also, living their dreams through their children, right? That is something that we all sometimes try to do. Oh, I didn't make this team, basketball team, or that team, right? So you want your children to do it just because you couldn't do it. Now, maybe, hopefully, it's your children who can live that dream through. Again, open communication, anger management. If we don't see things happening the way we want it to be, we feel so angry in our own way. So, again, these are just, as I said, this whole goal here is to learn through each other's discussion. The whole goal of PID is to bring up that awareness of parents' problems, children's problems, and the way to do it together. And I don't think anything of this was not covered earlier. Family dinner going to temple, doing aarti together, once in a week, family discussion, I know you can even watch movies together, and maybe even discuss after the movies, because that's the practical way, right? Ultimately, there are times when kids want to watch movies, parents also want to watch movies rather than watching them separately, watch them together and learn something out of it. Have monthly parent and father-son, father-daughter, mother-son, daughter relationship meetings or discussions. It could be through family dinners, it could be through maybe a breakfast. If your kids are in colleges, just maybe visit once, give them a surprise visit, take them out for dinner. I know it's not fun if it's a total surprise and they're like, oh, I didn't expect you. But right, next time call me again. So the whole goal, I think, Ashok ji, you can join me here, but the whole goal of PAD was to create the awareness. This is, I would say, these were just the tips. We don't want to end here. Rather, we want the discussion to start from here. We want to bring the awareness. The reason we started this as well, it was our Guruji's sankalp for having, creating the bond, creating the bhav between parents and kids, to start, discussion within the kids, and because ultimately, love is definitely a big part of it, prem, but ultimately, how our success is ultimately going to be depending upon our bonding between parents and the kids. The success of the entire family ultimately depends upon the bonding, how between us. Thank you so much today for coming here. Thank you.
Thank you, Pankaj ji. Next time. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Sandeep ji, for having this, taking the kids for the next generation to be aware for parents, what challenges they have. And before going, everybody take one copy of Parent Appreciation Day, which has lot of things in this. What challenges children have, what values families should have, what challenges children, parents, what are their awareness they can have, all those things. And once again, thank you very much. Thank you, Sandeep ji. Please have.
I would like to thank Ashok ji and his team of volunteers who came up with this brilliant idea. And our Guruji, he came up with this idea of Shriman Shrimati. It was two unrelated things, but just happened to come together under the auspices of Baba's kindness, mercy, blessings. We had this program today. We had a good turnout, better than we expected. So thanks to all of you. A big thank you to Ashok ji. And I would request Kaladhar Rao ji to please come and felicitate Ashok ji. And Ashok ji, I would like to extend this that, Ashok ji and his team of volunteers, you came.
All the volunteers.
I was so close to that.
इसको चालू रखो, चालू है ना? ऑन है. Zoom in कर. You can go and join the group.
Our group is so big. Come to Baba. Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you.